What's up? I'm sure you're super excited here to figure out how can you make money on YouTube without making videos. Alright, well here's how you do it. Basically, all you do is type in a search word like iPad, and then go to filter, go to Creative Commons, check that, and it shows you all the videos that you can use here. And basically, I'm using latest searches right now. This is trending right now. iPad is trending, so I put it in because I see that all my statistics over here. I use vidIQ, and I also use TubeBuddy. It's right here. Show you that, and they're both free to use. Anyway, so yeah, and then I like to sort by view count, and then basically I do that. I see the most popular videos for iPad, and I can put it into my video, make a little twist on it, and then there you go. You can start making money on YouTube just for having somebody else's video, but you can just add your own little twist, and then you can, you can start to, if you don't have any subscribers, you can get some subscribers, or you can possibly make some money. It's just some ways. But now that's basically that. That's basically how you make money. So like, what do? You just go to Creative Commons, and then you use the free video. So, and here's my channel anyways. So hope y'all understood what I was saying, and basically that's that. So here's my channel. You can subscribe to it. Show y'all videos how to make money online. But like watching this one, show you some more tricks and stuff like that. Alright, I'm out of here. So have a good day. Thanks for watching. Peace out.